So I'm going to teach you Volpone. Volpone by Ben Jonson. Volpone, written by a great English dramatist, Ben Jonson, and in the year 1606. Now, what is this comedy or satirical comedy of which age? 1606 का मतलब हुआ that it is a Jacobean comedy. Not only a Jacobean comedy, but a satirical Jacobean comedy. So point-wise noted now. And this Jacobean, satirical Jacobean comedy unfolds in the 17th century. 1601 से 17th century शुरू हो जाता है. So it unfolds in the 17th century. And this play follows the wealthy Volpone as he feigns illness in order to trick the greedy acquaintances into giving him gifts. This play is about, you can say it is a satire about of greed and corruption. Greed and corruption. And it explores themes of deception and the power of money. Volpone is one of Jonson's best, or you can say most famous play, and it is still performed today. Now, we will also get into some of the details about the author. बेन जॉनसन का जो पूरा नाम है, क्या आपको पता है? इट इज बेंजामिन जॉनसन. बेंजामिन जॉनसन. He was born 11th June 1572. 1572, so that you may be able to know the century. The place of his birth is London, England. These particular things are of importance whenever you have to write subjective answers or even in the MCQs. Not only a dramatist, he was also an actor and a poet. Dramatist, oblique, actor, oblique, poet. Versatile. His famous works, you must be knowing, Every Man in His Humour, Every Man in His Humour, which is one of the most popular. Then Volpone, we are studying Volpone. A very popular and known play, that is The Alchemist. And The Coronation. जिसमें Every Man in His Humour, Volpone and Alchemist is the most famous. He died in 1637 and died in London and England itself, जहाँ वो पैदा हुए थे. He is known for his satirical plays, poetry, and even clever comedies. Ben Jonson had great interest not only in theatre and literature, but classical learning. Classical learning. And yes, Ben Jonson was a master of theatrical plots, language, and characterization. He is generally regarded as the second most important English dramatist after one and only, and that is William Shakespeare. Now, we will talk about the drama that is Volpone. The subtitle is very important for you, The Fox. And this is a play. The genre is comedy, no doubt. But the genre which is comedy, it has some tragic overtones. Comedy with tragic overtones. Volpone was written in, dates are important, written in 1606, performed in the same year. Performed in the same year, that is 1606, and published 1 year after. Published in 1607. Now, even you can get a question like this, that can anybody tell me that where this Volpone was premiered first? पहली बार कहाँ प्रीमियर हुआ था ये? तो the very great popular drama house, everybody knows, Globe Theatre, London. Globe Theatre, London. यहाँ पे ये P मतलब प्रीमियर हुआ था फर्स्ट टाइम. द सेटिंग ऑफ द प्ले क्या है? द सेटिंग ऑफ द प्ले भी पूछा जाता है, एंड दैट इज वेनिस ऑब्लिक Italy. It is also a very important thing to know. Now, the protagonist is Volpone. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मिस कर सकते हैं कि प्रोटैगनिस्ट कौन था, वॉल्पोन. अब थीम क्या है? थीम इन द स्टार्टिंग आई टोल्ड यू once again, it is greed and the power of stagecraft. Greed, the power of stagecraft. एक और थीम है पैरासिटिज्म. पैरासाइट से बना है पैरासिटिज्म. Now, as I told you earlier, that the tone in the main plot is satirical, not only satirical, but ironic even. The main plot. If I go to the subplot, then the tone will vary from between satirical and farcical. What are the motives in the play? MOTIFS. Many. पहला, disguise. Then deception and reality. Deception and reality. Third, the sacred and the profane. Now, one more thing, that it is a beast fable type of drama. Beast fable is a kind of moral story in which animal characters are used to convey a moral lesson. So, this is called a beast fable. Moreover, if I ask you, what type of writing is Volpone and why? So, Volpone is a satirical comedy. It is a comedy of humors and also a comedy of greed. Now, point wise, I will try to explain you. It is a comedy because the play makes the audience laugh. The characters behave in a foolish and a funny way. Their actions create humorous situations because there are tricks, there are disguise and even misunderstanding. तीन चीजें मैंने आपको बताई, tricks, disguise and misunderstanding. Tricks, disguise and misunderstandings. Last में, at the end, the bad characters are punished. That gives a sense of justice. इसको हम लोग लिटरेचर की भाषा में कहते हैं, पोइटिक जस्टिस कहते हैं. इस वर्ड को जरूर लगाइएगा, पोइटिक जस्टिस. नाउ, ये पहला पॉइंट हो गया आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट. द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज टू बी नोटेड इज दैट वोल्पोन is a satire